Here we have a 2013 Ford Transit Custom. It's got roughly 153,000 miles on the clock and is fitted with the 2.2 diesel engine. So if you've done a service or an oil and filter change, because you've got a message in the dashboard in the centre part, which this one doesn't have at the moment because I know it's come in a couple of weeks early than it's due, I'm going to run you through the procedure to reset it anyway, and it will show a message that it's resetting. So all we need to do is put the ignition on to position 2, just so the lights are on. You don't need to start the engine. Make sure all your doors and the bonnet's closed. Let it cycle through its checks, which it's done, and leave it like that. Next you need to press the accelerator down to the floor and hold the brake pedal down as far as you can, which I'm doing now. Just keep watching the dashboard. It should say oil reset in progress, something like that. Service oil reset complete. It's gone straight to complete. So now I'll take my feet off the pedals, turn the ignition off, and it's done. If you had the message up before, that's what you do, and it will reset it for another 12 months. I'm doing it now because if you didn't, the customer took the vehicle away, in about 2 or 3 weeks' time, it would ping up that it needs an oil change. So now it's reset for another 12 months. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.